Hi, I'm here to invite you to explore our new non-credit manufacturing technology program. In just 5 classes, you will gain the foundational skills needed for a variety of entry-level manufacturing jobs. We will teach you skills and knowledge to develop better and faster strategies and products for local industries such as manufacturing, packaging, distribution, and food and beverage, among others. These are in-demand jobs in South San Diego County and the Tijuana region. The best part is it's completely free. With our manufacturing technology certificate, you will be prepared for jobs offering $30 an hour. And did you know manufacturing is the 6th largest industry in San Diego, providing endless opportunities for growth?
Our program is designed to ensure you to learn something new every day, highlighting the continuous synergy between learning and applying your skills. This means you'll be on a career path that not only benefits you, but also contributes positively to society. From fashion to auto parts to computers, you will help advance the manufacturing process. Enroll in our Manufacturing Technology Certificate program today and start building a brighter future.